Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is our second day here in the farm and still camping. And it's a little bit cloudy today, but it's still nice. It's warm and it's breezy, so it's beautiful. It's a beautiful day, so we will enjoy this day in this beautiful farm. We're enjoying the bar, guys, as much as we can. So here we are, having a drink.
Oh, okay, so I'll come back. You put them in me, so I'll tell you what. Yeah, sports bed? I only know how to deposit in sports bed. I'll get in trouble with that. Oh, Jack, they fired in the sports bed.
So after we've been to the bus, we are checking out the creek again and enjoy this. It's actually clear, the water. Zach,
What?
the water is clear.
Yeah, just do what I'm doing.
What is that?
It's like having a second shower. Which one's mine? Oh. You put the phone and my wallet in there?
No, your wallet is still in the car.
Is it? Oh.
I didn't see it there.
Oh, fuck. Oh. Softies.
They're twins.
Oh, they're doing it next door. Team private toilets. Private chairs.
It's another beautiful night here in the farm, guys, and we are just enjoying this because tomorrow we will be going to our next destination.
Yeah, soft.
Hi guys, we just had dinner. So we had what did we have again?
Beef.
Beef and salad.
Burger bun.
Yeah, a burger bun. And now I'm trying to eat my cone. What is that?
Biting Aussies.
Good morning. Hi guys, it's time to pack everything now because we will be going to our next destination. But yes, 2 days it was lovely stay here in this farm. We really enjoyed it. It was very relaxing. So now we are on our way again to our travel adventure. And yep, so wait for our next video guys if where we are going.